Hey everybody, if you check out the problem that's linked right above in Canvas, you will see the number 24 inside the little division house. Actually, that little division house is called the vinculum. The vinculum or the radical. So that is the symbol for division. It can also be that little line that goes in between that kind of makes things a fraction. But the vinculum is actually the name for it. So we've got 24 inside the vinculum, ladies and gents. This number in a division problem, what's inside the vinculum or underneath the line, that's called the dividend, if you read up above. Now the dividend in any division problem, it's the kind of the group of numbers, the group or the thing that you're going to break into equal size pieces or into equal size groups. So in this case we have 24, ladies and gents. In my hand I have 24 pencils. So again, this is my group that I'm going to break into even size pieces. I'm actually going to take my group and I'm going to break them into 4 equal groups. So I've got 24 pencils and I'm going to break them into 4 equal groups. Check it out. So here in front of me, I have 4 containers. So let's say I take my 24 pencils and I have 4 tables worth of containers that I want to break these pencils evenly into for students. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to start by taking my first pencil. I'm just going to drop it into one of these. Now, I'm going to do this equally, so I'm going to drop 1 pencil into each container and then start over with the next until all 24 of my pencils are gone. So again, 24 is my dividend or my big group. My divisor or the number of groups, equal size groups I'm going to break things into is 4. 2, 3. Keep going until all my pencils are gone. All right, so ladies and gents, I had 24 pencils. I put them all, divided them equally into 4 equal groups. Now, because these groups are all equal, all I have to do is take one of these groups, see how many are in there, and that's going to give me my answer, my quotient, which is how many things go into each of those equal groups. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pencils. Ladies and gents, if you look up at the top of that problem, your quotient is 6. And all this is saying is that my dividend was 24. I had 24 pencils to begin with. I put those pencils into 4 equal groups. That's my divisor. And then, ladies and gents, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pencils. There's 6 pencils here, here, and here as well. So 6 pencils in each of the 4 different groups. That is my quotient. That's actually what you're doing when you are working with division. You're figuring out how many equal things will go into equal sized groups with a given number. Check it out and try some of the problems out below. Draw them out if you need to.